Hello guys, in this video I will show how to solve YouTube upload problem. So don't scroll my video. If you want to solve this problem, watch my full video. Come back. Open your phone settings. Scroll down and apps management. Search for YouTube. Click YouTube apps. Click on permission option. All permission is allowed. Click on storage. Clear storage access. Click on force stop option. Back. Try again. Upload the video. I hope 100% solve your problem. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.